I grew up in Lowell, Massachusetts, with its tremendous ethnic and socioeconomic diversity. As the son of a nurse and a pharmacist in that community, my own personal experience and passions are deeply aligned with Whittier's mission. Liberty Mutual has been a longtime partner of Whittier Street Health Center, and it's my honor to help them champion access to social services and high-quality care for those most in need.
Here at Whittier Street, we really do try and be part of the community, the fabric of the community. A lot of our patients come from different backgrounds. You have Western medicine, and you have patients who come from different parts, Caribbean, from the continent of Africa, from a lot of places. And so it's definitely something that's very important because we have to be able to understand what their cultural framework is and work within that.
Whittier is very, very well designed, well placed to address all the needs of these immigrants. From addressing language barriers, there are people in this building who speak all sorts of languages, and once you enter Whittier, you feel like you are at home. There are no reservations.
The building has kind of gone from 3 different locations over the years. And there are patients who've been with us since the inception of the health center, and they remember coming here as a kid and all of that.
Whittier really believes in a patient-centered medical home where the patient is at the forefront of the care. We're making sure that we're providing high-quality care that is culturally sensitive, and then just making sure that we're making the parents feel comfortable, explaining things in a way that makes sense to them, making sure that all of their questions are answered.
The way Whittier is set up makes me be most impactful because everything is encompassed in this building. So I can help not only the child, the entire family, and I can also help the community at the same time. So when a kid comes here, I can get his eye care, his doctor care, everything all in once. And on top of all of the medical care and the mental health care, we do a lot of case management here.
Okay, get up there, yeah, let's do it.
I work in pediatrics, so I'm dealing with the children first and foremost, so really getting down on their level physically and emotionally, right? So making sure we're making good eye contact, making sure that I'm making them laugh, making sure that they're not scared.
It's an environment that's friendly, that's very welcoming, and we meet people where they are at whatever level that they are. It's a non-judgmental environment. People can come and go and just be part of the family here. Yeah, we're family here.
Rose, she has a very welcoming environment in her room. It's all green, and she's also very patient, and I can just tell her demeanor is very kind. We talk about a little bit of everything. Of course, some conversations are more serious than others, but she's a very kind soul, and developing that trust with a healthy environment and with an opening environment is, yeah.
Hello. Hi, good morning. I just want to see you.
Centering pregnancy was an initiative Whittier took because we have a lot of community who needs this service, and basically a minority. And then this is a program who is designed for assessment, support, and education. This is the 3 main goals for centering.
We see a lot of different, and pregnant women on different backgrounds. And some of them, they are from here, some of them, they come from another countries.
For me, this Whittier program is, oh my God, amazing for all the stuff that I'm learning. And the centering group here, we are like a family.
The satellite clinic is a primary care clinic. So the health issues that are, treated there ranges, they're mostly chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, obesity, cardiovascular diseases, mental health disorders. We provide same-day visits, and we also provide preventive care like immunizations.
I like working in this clinic because we have more connection with patients. We advise patients in every single way. We support them emotionally, psychologically, and also, giving the best advice.
I love Whittier Street Health. It's teaching me a lot about what I need to do to improve my health. So I love that part about it.
The staff there are good. So, you get your appointment, you're there on time, you get seen on time.
Behavioral health is a big need. I carry primarily an adult caseload. So the majority of the clients that I serve have major diagnosis of major depressive disorder and post-traumatic stress disorder.
I think it's really that Whittier is about more than just providing healthcare to our patients. The mission of the health center is to really tackle the social inequities in health.
A lot of our patients, they do have a lot of other social issues and mental health issues going on. And so if I'm trying to treat their blood pressure or their diabetes, I have to really think about, okay, are they living in a place where they have access to different things, proper food, can they afford it?
I like Dr. Johnson. She takes her time and she listens and she gives me great advice. That's why I like her. And even if I say something or I ask her a question, she'll answer it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the food pantry.
It's a one-stop shop where if our patients are struggling with food insecurity, if they need help with housing resources, if they want to increase their wellness by seeing a nutritionist or going to a fitness center, we're able to provide those services for them all at once.
It's a heart-to-heart conversation with our patients, local patients, immigrant patients, all around. We care.
I've been in the medical field for a very long time, and I've never seen a place that does so much for their clients.
We have a school-based health center where we help provide some of those services. We have our mobile van that goes throughout the city providing services at community centers or in housing developments so that we can meet the patients where they're at.
I feel like everybody that works here at Whittier has a big heart and they're trying to give their all to make somebody else's life better, happier, healthier, in any field that they work in. There's so much passion here that everybody that I've met here does what they love.
I just love it here. I love helping people. It makes me feel like I have accomplished something in life, I can go tomorrow and I know that I helped people and I had made people happy. It's just a great feeling.
I think at Whittier, we treat everyone with respect and dignity, and it's a family setting. Everyone that walks through the door is family to us. So I think that's what makes us a little bit different than other places.
Miss Miranda?
Whittier implements a whole bunch of services to close the gaps in children and adults. So for me, success looks like a happy, smiling kid telling me that they've accomplished something. So whether they got into that dream college that they wanted to get into, all of this with their excitement and their joy has made me excited.
I think we're a gem in the midst of this area. And I think that we're positioned to really do great things. For me, it's been a particular blessing, really, to be able to treat different members of a family. I think it speaks to their trust in us here.
At Liberty, our purpose is to help people embrace today and confidently pursue tomorrow. Whittier's mission directly aligns with our purpose, and I've had the opportunity to see firsthand what a difference they have made in the community. Unfortunately, access to care is not equal, especially for the underserved. Whittier helps ensure that every person they touch has access to the high-quality care and social services they need. This is vital. Whittier is a trusted resource in the community, providing innovative services and economic opportunity for thousands of patients so they can lead healthy lives. If I can make one ask, it would be that people spend any amount of time and resources they can supporting the causes that matter most to them. This alone would have such a profound impact, and Whittier is definitely one of those causes for Liberty Mutual.